mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mish, and for this video, I will be sharing my custard cake recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1 1/8 cups cake flour, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup water, 2 pieces egg yolks, 4 pieces egg whites, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, and 1/4 cup, again, granulated white sugar. And for the custard, we need 6 pieces egg yolks, 1/2 cup Conop roll milk, 1 cup Bravo condensed milk, and 1/2 cup granulated white sugar. So first, mag-caramelize muna tayo ng sugar. So this is 8 by 3 inch baking pan. Tapos, diretso ko na si sugar dito, i-caramelize. So, put your sugar, tapos caramelize natin to. After mo ma-caramelize si sugar, set aside natin. Then, mix na natin si custard. So, in your bowl, mix mo lang si egg yolk, milk, and your condensed milk. Then, after mixing, set aside muna natin si custard. Now, let's proceed with our chiffon cake. So, in your bowl, mix first your dry ingredients, your cake flour, sugar, baking powder, and your salt. Then, make a well at the center. You put your water, oil, tapos egg yolks. Then, mix again. Then, set aside natin to. Let's proceed with our meringue. Mix first your egg white, tsaka si cream of tartar. You mix this one until mag-frothy siya bago nyo i-add si sugar. Then, slowly add your sugar. Once okay na si meringue, let's fold it sa egg yolk mixture natin. Then, cut and fold. Then, assemble na natin yung caramelized sugar. Then, lagay na natin si custard. Don't forget na salain siya. After the custard, lagay na natin on top si chiffon cake. Then, let's bake this one at 350 degrees Fahrenheit around 50 minutes. But don't forget, water bath siya, okay? Kasi custard siya. So, lagyan nyo ng water yung tray, then bake. So, after 15 minutes, our custard cake is done already. So, baliktarin na natin. Let's get a plate. Then, let's check. There you go, our custard cake recipe. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!